In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize hyperlink colors via theme variants in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your links to match your brand or simply stand out more clearly on your slides, this quick method will keep everything consistent without manually recoloring each link. Start by opening your presentation, then go to the Design tab on the ribbon. On the right side of that tab, you'll see the Variants section. Click Variants, hover over Colors, and choose Customize Colors. If your window is narrow, look for a small arrow or the word Colors to expand the menu. This opens the Theme Color Editor, which controls how hyperlinks look across your entire deck. In the dialog that appears, locate the options labeled Hyperlink and Followed Hyperlink. Hyperlink controls the color of links that haven't been clicked yet. Followed Hyperlink sets the color after a link has been visited. Pick colors that align with your brand or that provide strong contrast against your slide backgrounds. As a tip, aim for accessibility-friendly contrast so links are easy to read for everyone. You can use a bright accent for unclicked links and a slightly muted or darker variation for followed links to signal that a link has already been visited. Once you've chosen your colors, give your custom theme a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, then click Save. PowerPoint immediately applies your custom hyperlink colors to the current presentation. You don't need to edit each link individually. The theme takes care of it automatically. Next, take a moment to scan a few slides. Any text with a hyperlink that's using the theme defaults will update to your new colors. If you notice a link that didn't change, it may have been manually formatted with a specific font color. Removing that manual color or reapplying the standard text color will allow the theme's hyperlink colors to take effect. To confirm everything works, add a quick test link on a slide, check the unclicked color, then click it, and return to the slide to see the followed color in action. That's all it takes. By customizing hyperlink colors through theme variants, you ensure a consistent, professional look across your presentation with just a few clicks. It's cleaner, faster, and more reliable than formatting links one by one, and it keeps your slides on brand every time you present or share your file.